So as you can see, I've got everything stripped down and I've done a lot of cleaning, and I've begun getting everything primered and ready for paint. It's really hard though with the temperatures the way they are. I have to warm up the garage, shoot some paint, and then air it out. I've got a lot of work to do on the engine. I haven't taken that apart yet, but I'm going to do that last. I'm going to get everything else done and then I'll do the engine. Well, I get the first coat of paint on the frame, and though it looks yellow, it's actually pumpkin orange. This camera doesn't seem to show the color right. This looks like a Cub Cadet yellow almost, but it is orange. Maybe in the daylight it'll look normal. But that's the first coat. I'm going to do another coat and then get to work on the wheels. I've got the first set of wheels painted. As soon as they're dry enough, I'm going to get some tires put on them. I'd like to get all the tires on it so I can roll it around, make it a little easier to assemble, and give me more room in the garage. Okay, I've got the front tires mounted on the rims and they look pretty good. Later this week I'm going to get to work on the back tires and wheels. Those won't be as easy, but I'll have another video then.